美国总统川普进前加入去艾普斯坦性犯罪人口买卖案件，进前伊拢讲这是民主党摕来甲伊做乌的。即马若像因为党内甲民意压力，该呼吁讲都爱甲艾普斯坦这个档案来解密，而且讲伊是清白的。也若伫咧北京外口的示威者是叫川普都爱出来讲互清楚。
美国总统川普16暗伫咧伊家己社群平台发文，第一遍公开希望将意见共和党人投票支持解密爱普斯坦调查档案。伊讲这件代志是民主党人用来转移焦点的政治骗局。一个点名前总统克林顿、7个月金主霍夫曼等民主党重要金主，爱接受各项严格检视。
I don't care about it released or not. What I think you should do, if you're going to do it, then you have to go into Epstein's friends. This Reid Hoffman spent a lot of time on the island. I was never on his island.
川普进前曝光爱普斯坦档案是民主党挑工要甲伊抹黑，怎么因为党内压力甲民意的质疑解嘴？外界认为是因为众议院的票数怎么已经有法度强迫司法部解密相关法案要求公开所有甲爱普斯坦案件有关的文件甲来往记录，也过就爱删除受害者的个人资料，也有有关伫咧侦办中的敏感内容。共和党籍众议院议长强生伫政论节目讲，川普是清白的，拢袂担心。
Nothing to do with it. President Trump has clean hands. He's not worried about it. I talk to him all the time. He has nothing to do with this. He's frustrated that they're turning it into a political issue, and it's not surprising because the Democrats have nothing else to talk about. What have they accomplished in 10 months? Epstein is their entire game plan.
强生讲，众议跨党派连数票已经有够，伊会将法案送去议会表决，讲要将民主党手内政治武器摕掉。不过民主党批评，共和党哪怕要透明，佫想要将焦点转到部分民主党人士甲爱普斯坦的关系，互大家莫去注意川普进前甲爱普斯坦来往最近翕相的历史。 伫川普解释要支持解密的时阵，北京外口有真侪示威的民众大声喊川普爱下台，也有人挂川普的面壳啊，手提着爱普斯坦机密档案的想法，伫北京外口有犯罪现场的黄色封锁线。
It is time for everyone who believes that Trump must go, that you're angry about him for whatever your issue is, to get your body in the streets of our nation's capital.
虽然爱普斯坦已经伫咧2019年伫监狱内面死亡，不过牵涉到正常名流的性犯罪甲人口贩运的指控，到这么依然是美国政治上敏感的阴影之一。川普若讲伊拢无安看，不过国家目标向准伊的政治对手，所以这么大家拢在看。 国会是毋是当真正由解密档案看清楚真相，也是互性丑闻案件将这选战攻防的新战场。公司新闻张伟林编辑。